Prabodhananda Saraswati, who he wrote his own version of the Ras Leela, and it parallels because the basis of all the Shastras we're having in our hand, every single book we have of Gaudiya Vaishnavism, whether it's Tattva or whether it's Leela, all the basis of all of it is the Srimad Bhagavatam. In fact, when you become very familiar with the Srimad Bhagavatam, especially Krishna Leela, then you read in Vrindavan, you read Govinda Lilamrita, you see, oh, this idea is from the Bhagavatam, and this idea is from the Bhagavatam. You see all the different verses of Govinda Lilamrita, because they're talking about Ban Bihar, and there's also wandering through the forest. So in the beginning, towards the end of chapter 29, it becomes a happy ending after the bad start. And then Krishna disappeared again, it became unhappy. But they're wandering the forest, and they're touching the plants, and this and that. Then you read the Govinda Lilamrita, and Ratri Leela, they're wandering the forest, and Krishna's touching the plants. So he gets, that's why they're so strong and powerful, because everything is drawing its strength from the Bhagavatam. What are the Sandarbhas? There's thousands and thousands of verses. There's Anuchhed, like Anuchhed 238. Anuchhed means like section, main section. It deals with Guru, spiritual master, and different things. So then there's subsections. There's 700 subsections in Anuchhed. So if you just say Anuchhed 238, then if you really want to be specific, if you're going to quote something, you have to say what section. Because each section may be a verse from a Purana, or it may be a statement of Jiva himself, or a quotation from Rupa. It's pretty vast. But the basis of the whole Sandarbhas is Srimad Bhagavatam. That's for the Tattva, and as I already mentioned, for the Leela, the basis of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Astakali Leela is also here. It says, oh, in the afternoon, the cowherd boys are bringing the cows back. That's Aparan Leela, 3:36 to 6 o'clock. Oh, then they're cooking. Many you can see. You can find sections where this is Astakali Leela in the Bhagavad, in the description of Vrindavan Leela.